Alright, we're back working on the shop here, doing a few things here. So we got the phase converters on and didn't melt anything. That's the switch for it right there. So that's a plus. The phone lines still do not work, so we can, what can we do? We can call out, but we can't call in. That's what we do. So it doesn't ring coming in. But you pick up the phone, it'll be, you can talk on it to someone, so weird. No ringer. So we're thinking that the wire that goes up to the second floor, which is just one of these going down through here, one of those two that are down there, if not both. One of those might be bad. So we rewired all this stuff again. We spent another few more hours tonight dicking with it, but every time he comes over we dick around with that junk. Still doesn't work. So it's weird. Like I said, I can call up, I got dial tone, but I can't receive. It's stupid. Alright, let's see, other thing. Phase converter. Back here. Milling machine works. So this thing's going to suck a lot of power, I can tell already, because it's, when I turn on the air compressor, it makes a certain amount of load on the system. So this is a 7.5 horsepower motor. I don't know if you can hear the buzz in the box here when you first hit it, but that's what it does. This one being a 25 horse motor, when you turn it on, it makes a lot of noise. So this thing's buzzing like crazy. That's got to be sucking a lot of amperage. So I don't know if there's any way of telling what the actual load of the motor is, how many amps it draws just running. Maybe somebody knows something can tell what these labels mean. I don't know what they mean. Oh, I know it's sucking a lot of juice. So juice is bad. Oh, I gotta get that off of there. Burn that wire up. So now this thing actually does work. So you flip the switch on, she rotates. In 3-phase, you can reverse it by going like that. See how it reverses? See, when you're power tapping, you go one way, you shut it pretty quickly by doing that. Or we just reverse it just by going. It's good on a motor doing that too. So that's what the third leg does. It allows you to reverse it. So this is the ADX phase converter. That's made to work an air compressor like this, but with a lot bigger motor on it. And it's also made to do the heavy machining and flip the switch full on backwards and have full power in reverse instantly without a lag in it. Plus it'll give you a more stable juice, I guess, phase, whatever they want to call it. So anyway, so we got this hooked up. So this is now functional. Got the air line hooked up here also. So now it works. The only problem, you gotta listen to stupid ass noise box back here running. But I can drown that out by doing this. There you go, that drowns it out. Yeah, so that's gonna make a lot of noise like that. Kind of annoying. And I'm sure it's sucking up a lot of damn juice too. The disadvantage is to turn this thing on and off. I gotta come way back under here to do this. That's a big motor to phase on down. That's a 25 horse motor there, so it's a big boy. Alright, so I'm not gonna have that on very much during the day. I'll just tell you that right now. They tell you don't turn that switch on and off a bunch because it's hell hard on it.